So, today, percent to decimal, we're probably not going to have time to do discount, so we're going to review. Your homework is all the odds and the graph. So you're going to do 1, 3, 5, 7,
11, 6, 7.
front and back, and you're going to do the graph. All right? So 1, 3, 5, 7, and then the graph. Okay? All right. Now, so, well, 6 is not odd.
Yeah, it is. You can make it odd. 6 to 7.
I don't have that abilities. Okay. So, let's write this down. 12, 9, 25. All right, percent to decimal.
Imagine it was 12, 9, 67.
And I would hope it would be retired.
For the month of the 7th.
Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay, keyword for today. Deep. Okay. We're going to remember how to use the word deep to help us do the math today. So, the word D stands for decimal. And the P stands for percent. Okay? D stands for decimal and P stands for percent. So, D for decimal, P for percent. And we did. We're going to review it, Sebastian. So, we're going to review this. You did this in 6th grade. You did it with me at the beginning. We're going to tie it together to 7th grade math starting today and tomorrow. Okay. So, if I have 25%, okay, you're going to save 25% at the store. When I do the math, I can't use 25%. I need it as a decimal. So what is 25% as a decimal? Can you close the Chromebook? Okay. Now, good morning. Okay, can someone tell me 25%? Where would the decimal be right now in 25%? I don't see one. So where would it be if I don't see one? If it's in the front, I would see it. Yes, in the back. So if I don't see it, it's in the back. So if you don't see it, it's in the back, right here. It's in the back, okay? So if I don't see it, it's in the back, okay? Now, how many times are we going to move it? 2 times. Which way? To the left. So we're going from a percent to a decimal. We're going to move it 2 times. So we're going to go this way 2 times. 1 and a 2. Okay? So we're going slow for the kids who need to really review. And those of you who are good, thank you for your patience. Okay? So now, our answer is 0.25. Our answer is 0.25. And that's what we're going to be using in 7th grade. What's wrong? Jacob? Huh? Okay, keep your feet towards you. All right. 17%. What is 17% as a decimal? Yep. So how many times do I move it? Twice. Where is it right now? Right now it's in the back. Thank you. Right now it's in the back. How many times am I going to move it?
2.
1, 2. So this is equal to 0.17. So Do you remember how to change a percent into a decimal? Move it 2 times to the left, right? Right? Is that to the left? Oh my god. Yeah, to the left. Twice. Okay? You did this in 6th grade, and you did it with me at the beginning. We're going to need it a lot. All right. Here's the one that kids always get it wrong. 8%. How many times do I move it? 2. So you're going to move it twice. Uh-oh.
It's a 0.
What do I put in the missing space?
I just told you.
0.
0. So what is this equal to?
0.08.
Yeah. I had to rewrite it. I didn't give myself enough room. So, you move it 2 times. You put a 0 in the space. Rolando, write this down. Now my decimal is 0.08. Because what's the difference between this one? 80%. You got an 80% on your test. What decimal is 80%? So how many times do I move it? 2. It starts in the back because I don't see it. 1, 2. So 0.80. So notice the difference between this one and this one, right? Where are the zeros? So this would be 80, and this is just 8. Now, there's another way of writing this. Does anybody know another way of writing that second one? Do I need that 0? No. So another way of writing it, which I will be using, is just 0.8. It's just 0.8. Can I take away this 0? No. This 0 is very, very important. This 0 is very important. This one, not so much. You can get rid of the ones in the back. You can't get rid of that one. That one is the most important 0 of our lives. All right, so are we good with that review? Repaso? All right, now, what if I had $500 and I went to the store with $500, but I spent $256.34 on presents for my scholars?
Ooh, me. What'd you get? That's me, right?
Thank you, miss.
Yeah.
I don't think we're sorry.
Thank you,
Miss,
miss,
you know
for
what?
That is me
the,
right
for
there.
the presents. Better
Right.
get
Me
that.
too. I take the spotlight.
You're not even in that way.
Okay, so a review. Do we remember how to subtract decimals?
Yeah.
First thing when we're doing this problem, what number goes on the top?
500.
500. Very good. So we're going to write 500. Now, do you see how this one has a decimal and the 500 does not?
No.
So we got to add a decimal to 500. Where would it be?
The back. Front.
In the back. Remember, if you never see one, it's always in the back. If you never see one, it's in the back with 2 zeros. So this number is 500.00. Let's put this number right below it. And we're subtracting. Okay. Now what I'm doing with this one is reviewing with you how to borrow. Okay. Yeah. Give yourself enough room. Okay. So let's review borrowing. I can't do 0 minus 4, right? 0, I can't take away 4. So I borrow from this guy. But this guy's a 0. He doesn't have anything. So this guy borrows from this guy. Still a 0. And then we go here. Still a 0. Finally, I meet someone with money. So what does the 5 become? A 4. Marley, pay attention. What does this one become? But then he gave it to this one, right? So this one becomes a 9. This one was a 10, but he gave it to this guy. So this guy is a 9. This one was a 10, but he gave one to this guy. So what does this one become? 9. This one becomes a 10. Does it have anyone to let borrow? No. So this is borrowing. Now, it goes all the way back here. All of these were 10, but you gotta pass it back. You gotta pass it back. Pass back 1. All right. Now let's subtract it. Go ahead and subtract it. I already borrowed for you. Drink some water. All right, Marley, what'd you get?
What did I get? I don't want to say this.
Let me have your notebook and read it. Marley, erase. Come on.
Miss, that's what I got.
That's what I got. Good. So I have $243 left to spend on the rest of my scholars.
Yay, like me.
Totally.
Wow, miss. That's why I didn't let you use my notebook.
All right. Then I went shopping for my next class, and this time I took $700.
And it's going to be 600?
They all do their homework.
That's us, miss.
It's going to equal to 666. Miss, there better be a 6 in here.
Miss, can you just give me the full points because I at least turned my homework in?
Earn your full points. Maria didn't do her homework either. Yet you had the whole period to do it with the sub.
Wait, what did I get?
All right.
We got Mr. Win, bro.
A 3? Is that good?
All right. So the 700, add the decimal and 2 zeros. Then you line up your decimals. And we're going to borrow again. So, borrow, 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 borrow. What does a 7 become? 6. This one becomes a
This 7 becomes a 6.
9. 9. All right, go. Use your fingers. Alan, y'all done? Sebastian, Vanessa?
Wait for 1 second.
3, 4, 5.
Oh, I see 6 and I see the 7.
58. I got 68.
Marley, oh, hot dog.
58.
Yeah.
Whoa. 58, bro.
Miss, I think we found gum in our backpack. I can see you.
68, bro. I mean 58.
I want 58. 9 minus 4, that's 5.
Then why is it supposed to
I need my left
You
one.
just put that.
My brother. Well, I take your turn.
What's your answer?
Man.
Andrew.
I'm so related to you.
That was the last problem.
This is a 60 or 50? Or 58?
58.
So,
Say it one more time at the beginning.
261.
Yep. Good job, Andrew.
Said it was wrong.
Okay. Then I started shopping for my favorite class.
that's
Miss, how'd you get $700? Wait, Miss, how are you so rich?
I'm not.
That's us.
True. Very true. So my favorite class, I took $1,000 to spend.
Thank you, Miss.
And I spent $659.41
Miss, where's the 6 7?
tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't believe it. If it's a 67, I'll bring pizza for everybody.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, Jaden.
What?
I'll bring
Yo, what happened to our
Yeah,
pizza
Miss,
party?
I'm so proud of my
Yeah,
dad.
where's our pizza?
Where's our breakfast pizza?
You just gotta come to Christmas.
There's a big sign outside of Domino's, open for Christmas. Because a lot of places do close.
Is there like a day? Like we have as Christian Catholic, we have Christmas and we have Easter.
Can we just watch
Or
like
like
movies next week?
celebrate.
Yeah.
Do you guys have something like that? Like
It's
a
the
day
menu.
or two?
It's the menu.
I got the answer.
When's the birthday?
Dude.
Something in May.
Okay.
Miss Romelli,
You
can we
just-
watch movies next week?
Oh my god, no.
Yes, Miss Romelli. I'll bring.
Can we do our homework every day?
No.
Wait, but it's.
Alright, who wants to raise your hand and tell me the answer? Mariano?
Bro, Mariana, why'd you raise your hand? You can't even.
Mariano, what you got?
That's what I got.
Good job.
That's what we got.
Alright, are we okay with subtraction?
No.
So, these are the two things that you need to know before we start doing 7th grade. Okay, so
She's gonna change it and we're gonna have to like freaking the answer. Divide the answer
I put it right here and you saw it. Thank you.
My side.
The best pizza flavor.
alright. Okay. So, for the first side, should take you about 30 seconds. Remember the word deep. We're going to move the decimal 2 times to the front. We're going to go to the front. Okay? So, 25%. We have the decimal in the back. So we're going to move it to the front. 1, 2. So in the circle, I'm looking for an answer of 0.25.
Kendra?
So all you're doing is moving the decimal 2 times. Now, I'm going to do number 4 with you. How many times am I moving it? 2.
Do we have to draw like the
What do I have here, though? It's empty. So what do I have to add?
0,
0. So what would be my answer?
0, 3. Do we have to like do the thing?
Better get them right, though.
Alright.
All of it. All. Okay, be very careful on number 13 and number 13 and 9. Ojo, 13 and 9. 13 and 9. Why do you say? Why do you think the teacher said be careful on 13 and 9?
I don't know.
The one that